Welcome everybody to our show. This is Custom Fab Garage on our channel Octane TV on YouTube. Make sure you go down below and hit that subscribe button, and on top of that, make sure that you hit the notification bell so that you can get all the new content that comes out weekly and even every day. All right, this is the 2009 Cadillac Cts-V that we're going to be doing today. We're going to be doing all new speakers, and we're also going to be doing a rear view backup camera, and we're going to be doing a new head unit in this using a Metro Dash kit, wiring harness. We're going to be doing a SONY XAV 5500, which is a really good head unit for these. We've done a few of them, so this is what we're going to be working on today. Okay, in order to move the A-pillar, you're going to basically pull out and then kind of up. And this little piece, I've already disconnected it, but it's slid up into this little, like this aluminum piece. And then you'll push down on this part right here to get it to slide down through this piece. So basically it'll just be up in here, and then you'll push down on this top piece right here and then pull it down. And then this whole A-pillar will come out, and that's how it comes out. All right, so we remove this A-pillar. It's very simple. You just pull it out. And there's a little black piece on here. You just push on the top and pull the black piece down through this bottom part right here. So just basically pop out on the A-pillar, kind of move it around, push on the black piece, pull it down. These pieces, basically when they're down, and then they unsnap up. But you can't get them out because this little ridge right here will cause it not to be able to come out without removing the A-pillars. And then when you pop this whole piece out, there's a harness right here you'll want to unplug that we unplugged right here. And then you can get to all three of the dash speakers. Not easy in the CTS. Not very many videos available on how to take these out as well, so I'm going to tell you what impedance they are, what sizes they are, and everything, because we're going to change these. Because in the CTSV, they have these Bose mid-woofers in the front, so basically all your speakers are up in the dash now, so we'll change those out. So from what we've gathered, all three are exactly the same, which is odd. So if we read on here, it doesn't tell us nothing. That's lovely. It looks like a 4-inch is what it looks like to me. So these are the speakers we're going to be using. The Hertz. We usually use kicker. I'll put a link down there for the kickers. They're very similar to these, but they don't have any in stock right now. So I had to do whatever we had to do to make this guy happy and get it done for him. So these are same size, same power rating as the kickers. So we're going to go ahead and put these down in there. There's the size difference of the factory Bose and your aftermarket 3.5. Kind of a major difference of speaker and what all you get. Alright, so we have our speakers wired up, our positive and our negative. What we did is we just went into phase by taking the terminal and making sure that this is on the top and the left hand side is the positive. If you look on each one of them, that's actually how we did it. And then in the middle, we're going to be using a hypnotic, mainly because it's only a center channel, and then we're going to be using Hertz on these sides because the Hertz are smaller on the magnets than the hypnotic. The hypnotic has a larger magnet, but this hole you can fit a larger magnet in, but these you cannot. They're smaller. They bolted right in. Josh got them in there really nice. So we're gonna plug that harness in back over there in the corner, plug in this top dash piece, make sure everything still fits.